The first thing you want to do is head over to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, it's free to sign up. Once you're in, you're going to click create a design. Now, make sure your canvas size is a 12 by 22 inches. That's the size we're going to use for the DTF print. Next, upload whatever artwork you're using, your logo, your design, whatever you want. Drag it onto your canvas. Now, resize it so it can fit the t-shirt. Quick tip, have a measuring tape handy. Measure across one of your shirts just to see how wide you want your design or how big you want it. That way, you're going to know it's going to look right when you actually press it on. Here's where you really make your money stretch. Don't drop just one design on the page. Fill that whole page up. You have a 12 by 22 canvas. You're going to get multiple prints for one price. And one important thing that you do not want to forget, you have to save this as a PNG background removed. They do not accept your prints if it's not already removed. Let's head over to this website. It's awdmi.com. This is where we're going to get our gang sheet. Click on the gang sheet 12 by 22. That's the size that we made in Canva. If you want to choose a bigger size, you can go ahead and do that and pay for it. Shipping might be different depending on where you live. They're local for me, so I just go in and pick it up from the store. Once you paid on their site, go ahead and send them your files through their email. Hold up, before y'all go, let me show you one more step that's going to take your shirts to the next level. Because listen, people buy with their eyes. You got to show them how your shirt is going to look. So we're going to do some clean mock-ups using Printify for free. Over to Printify.com, make a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're in, click on the catalog at the top. You'll see a bunch of blank products. We're going to scroll to t-shirts. Pick whichever brand or style you want, like Bella and Canvas or a Gildan Tee, whichever. Then you're going to start designing. Now you're going to upload that same PNG image that you printed out on your gang sheet. Drop it right onto the shirt, resize it, make sure it looks good. Then you can go and preview it so you can see how it looks. You're going to see a download button in the left hand corner at the bottom. Click that to download this and keep this mockup. These mockups look super professional, and it will go really good on your website, your Instagram, or even your Etsy store. Repeat these same steps throughout different mockups. You can do maybe a sweatshirt or even a bag. It depends on your design. You didn't have to buy any shirt or press it. You didn't have to take any photos. It's all digital and free. So do this until you get a sale, and then you can go ahead and make your shirt and send it to your customer. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please give me a like, comment, follow, whatever you're watching this on. Thank you so much. Ask me any questions in the comments and I'll be sure to get back with you. Thanks. Bye.